What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today we are out on the water looking for tog. Alright guys, we are starting this thing off at the office for two reasons. Number one, this is what the audio sounded like when I did my intro.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. It's crazy, it's windy.
Yeah, sounds like shit. So I decided to redo the intro from here at the office. Guys, this day was a tough day on the ocean. The wind was ripping, the waves were high, and the conditions were crazy. But we still managed to put a great day together. We made some great friends, met some awesome people, and that's what it's all about. So we strapped Richie up with the GoPro today and got his perspective on the day, which was great. We had Team White Claw there. There was a lot of incredible fishermen on the boat, but it was still a tough day, and we're gonna get into that in just a second. The second reason why I'm doing this from the office is to say thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I cannot freaking believe how far we have come in the past couple months. This is incredible, and I have you guys to thank. And to thank all of you, if you haven't seen it yet, we are doing a giant giveaway. The video is already up. You can click right up here, head on over there, enter the giveaway, and then come back and watch this video if you'd like. We're giving away this Penn Battle 3 3000 reel, brand spanking new. We just got it from Dick's. This thing is phenomenal. This is what I've been using for jigging, for tog, catching albies, stripers, bluefish, you name it, that reel handles it so well. So we're gonna be giving that away to one lucky winner, and then we have a bunch of baits that we're gonna be giving away to the runner-up. So that's that. Head on over there, check out the video, follow the instructions, and that's it. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button before you head on over there. Hit the bell for the notifications as well, because on Friday we will be picking the giveaway winner, and we're also dropping videos every single weekday. It is amazing to see the growth on the channel, and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all the support. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
You get any? Oh, there's one. Ain't going anywhere.
He might be followed.
Just in case. Still heavy?
Yeah. Oh, he's not fucked.
Yeah, baby.
Actually, he is. He is followed.
It's still a good fish.
Nice. Bro.
There's another one.
I'm down there. Whoops. Nice freaking fish, boys and girls. Rich, is this your first one of the day?
Yes.
Next year fish. The shut off.
Oh, on his own?
He's got another one, folks. On the jig. It's a piggy. Look, check it out. It's a giant. On the jig.
Thanks, Todd. Oh yeah, fish coming up. Need a net. Nice. Jig on the jig. How we eating?
Taking care of things all day today for me.
It's been tough.
It's been a tough day for everybody. This has been the most productive drop.
Yeah.
All day. You got that one big fish at the first drop. That was the biggest fish on the boat forever.
Yeah.
These guys.
I'll do the pool and I'll take care of you in the valley. You can't balance the way this is.
Close to your personal best, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's a giant. Look at this thing. Almost 9 pounds, just
Come
about.
to Rhode Island for.
Yeah,
the
baby.
city. Come out here, you'll catch the big ones, guys. That's
That's what it's all about.
what it's all about.
Woo! What up? My man with the side pool winner, why don't you hold it up for us? Richie was the runner-up. There it is. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Hell yeah. The freaking pool winner, folks. Almost a personal best, too. Fantastic day. It was tough as nails, but we did what we had to do to get it done. Go for it. Alright guys, that concludes the day on the water. It was just ripping wind and I decided to do the outro from home. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a gentleman get almost his personal best. It was like literally a couple of ounces shy of his PB and he won the pool. Super nice kid. So a huge shout out to our buddy Justin. It was awesome to see that fish come up right at the end of the day. Also, to all of you guys who join us on the boat, thank you so much. It means a lot. All of the support we've been getting on these Tautog videos has been astronomical. I can't even believe it. Tautog season's almost over up here, but hopefully we can make a trip down to Jersey or Maryland and get on a few more Tautog before the season is over down there. We got ice fishing season coming up soon. We got some cool stuff to unbox, getting ready for ice fishing. Life is good, guys, and thank you all so much for joining us. We'll catch you on the next one. Fish on.
Dump and jump for the shit. All tap when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the nightsticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field, say vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like.